This is lesson 2 cover for AI. Now, okay, if you didn't get to finish any part of lesson 1, you may want to do so now, just to catch up. Right, in this lesson, you can see there as an example, I used My Little Pony. I'd like you to look at it and just run through a couple of them. So you pick one of the images of a pony above, and then you use the questions to try and work out the name of the pony. See if I made any mistakes. You never know, I might have done. Now, what I want you to do is the same kind of thing. So you effectively, the first thing you need to do is you need to decide on a topic. Once you've decided on a topic, find either a group image or images of your topic, whatever it is. It's not going to be an all-inclusive thing. I mean, there's no way, say for example you pick dog breeds, you're never going to pick every dog breed known to mankind, but you could probably find a group picture of lots of different types of dogs, or cats, or sporting events, or famous people, or whatever. But if not, then find a few images and just pop them all in, just copy and paste them off Google. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is work out your questions. Now, as I was doing this, I was kind of thinking, actually, there was a game that I used to play as a child, which was called Guess Who, where effectively you did the same thing, is you try to break it into groups of 50-50. So when you're working out your questions, you want to look there and say, well, roughly, is it somewhere between a third to a half of the images I'm looking at? Is there one common characteristic? I used to go for things, gender or hair colour or glasses or hat, depending on the version of Guess Who that I was playing. So that's effectively what you do. It's like playing Guess Who, and you're writing the questions down for people instead, and then gradually going through and trying to work out the fewest questions that you need to identify all of those people. If you really are stuck for a topic, by the way, then by all means use a Guess Who. You can actually, if you Google it, you can actually find Guess Who cards. The idea, I think, is nowadays that people just print them off and make up their own versions. But if you try doing Googling Guess Who cards, if you're stuck for anything to do, then that's not a bad one. And you can build your knowledge-based system around those images as well. Okay, if you do finish this early, then what I'd like you to do, I'll place this in red, so it's only for people that finished it early, is go through it, of course, and test it. But the other thing you might want to do is do a TED Talk. Google it. They don't last more than 15 minutes, of your choice. Which, if you haven't got into them, they are a very informative and entertaining little aside. So, to recap today, you are, in lesson 2, you are looking at the My Little Pony example, and you're catching up on anything you didn't get to do in lesson 1. You're then deciding on a topic, you're finding an image that's either a group of whatever your topic happens to be, and then you're working out the questions, and just do it in the same style as the example. If you're really stuck for a topic, then literally just Google Guess Who cards, and it'll pop up. And if you finish that early and you've got a bit of time, then Google up a TED Talk, or go to TED Talks and choose something interests you there, just to learn about. Okay, that is it.